Alright boys, it's Monday. Let me keep you up to speed and I'll record once I get to the site what's going on. So this other landscaper, I told him to use the concrete breaker because our jackhammer for the skid steer, we use it and the problem is we can't do no turn because it's so narrow, and if we do turn the tracks pop off. So I had to flip and rent an excavator and a jackhammer with it, and it's coming today around 5, and that son of a gun costed $1,400 a day, and all it is ripping all that out and then just finishing that up, putting the pipe in, because that's why we're making a trench. We're adding a pipe to connect all the gutters because it's too steep. I can't wait to use this shit. So, boys. Oh, that's right. Just want to give you an update. All it is pipe now, and then just regrade it. We're good.
Mi cuate Chepe, aquí mi cuate el Chepe. Chécalo Chepe, buen día de trabajo.
Today's Thursday. We finally got most of this done. The one problem is that things are still steep on this house right here, this red house. This other house is fine. Let me show y'all.
Ponle ahí y ponla este. This is my man right here.
We're currently changing the oil to both machines. They both need it. Tell the viewers what you're doing. What are you doing?
Check somebody's oil. Aquí las orejas. Man, está negrísimo. Tanto aceite, no. Pum, cabrón.
Hazlo así, como Simba.
Ven, che, te voy a bautizar, ven.
Gosh, man, fucking shit sucks. It's the next day and we're back at the job. We're just wrapping this up. Today's task is finishing this, doing the swells on both sides in the front, adding the trees. This swell from this point to over there is not shooting out, so we will see. See how fast I reacted? Gosh, man, it's those video games. Have a meeting later with the gas guy to finally fix this gas fucking fireball. Yikes. Like, hey, someone will stop by anywhere, can you give me a drink? So I'm like, alright, sure. I just found it funny. I'm bringing him a Coke. That's right, bro. We got it to work. Man, this thing was a pain in the butt. That looks sick.
But
Alright,
this was
boys.
always- this was-
Hope you like the trenching
What?
and all that for that 51. Like, subscribe. Right now I'm in an interview. And we're about to, they're gonna ask me questions or whatever. It's gonna be fun.
Alright, retake.